Hi guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about my new Notion template called Lawdesk. Lawdesk is an operating system for solo lawyers or small law firms, which is built in Notion. So if you're running a small operation, or if you're a solo lawyer, you might be looking for something that helps you to track your tasks, your cases, your customers, and you might want to keep your software stack, very simple and easy to use. And you might not want to pay money on a continuous basis for subscriptions. So, if you're looking for a system that is simple, reliable, then Lawdesk might be something for you. So, with that being said, let me now show you how the template works and what it can do. All right, so let's look at the template itself. To start with, I think it's important to say or explain how the template is structured. So it all revolves around three key databases. One is your clients, the other is cases, and the third one is tasks. So let's start to look at the template with a customer, because usually this is a great starting point. So let me show you how a customer looks like and what it contains. So first of all, you can set up the very basic information about each of your customers or prospects. So let's name, different contact details, address, status, whether it's a prospect, whether it's an active customer or inactive customer. You can track your referral sources. So where did the customer come from? You can keep track of some very simple notes. And then you can, of course, relate a new case to the customer. Uh, Also, you can track client types, whether it's individual, business, government, and so on. And importantly, you can also set up an hourly billing rate for each customer, which will come into play later. Moving forward, here there's a space to keep more information about the each customer. So, like tracking your communication, any files or notes. And what the template can also do is it can generate an intake checklist. So if we click this button, it will generate a comprehensive intake checklist, which you can use when you're basically intaking or creating new customer for your practice. So all this information is stored in the customer database. And once we have a customer set up, it will pop up here, of course. And then the second step is to create a case. So now let me show you what a case detail looks like. So similarly to the customer detail, we will have a case type, we will have the case name, we will have the status, whether it's open, pending, closed. We can add a responsible attorney, of course. We have open. We have some like key dates, like open date, close date, notes, billing status. So whether that case has been already billed, partially billed, or paid, and then of course we would add using this relation property. We would add a corresponding client to that case. Moving on, case is where most of your information will be stored. So any, again, like key dates, key documents, tasks that you can create here, which get related to that particular case, and any notes. And of course, all of this is very easily customizable. So whatever data structure or files that you keep on a case basis can be put and created here in this template. Lastly, we will have tasks, And regarding tasks, what's important to mention is that this can serve both or two use cases. So one of them is obviously tracking the task itself. So just to just to shortly explain, so you will create a new task, of course. You can again set like due dates, status, priority, all the kind of like typical things that you would expect in a task management. And then you can also, of course, relate the task to a case and a client. So then that in itself helps you to track any task, of course, any open tasks, any tasks related to either client or case basis. But what you can also do here is to use the tasks as a very simple billing system. So what you can do here, just to give you an example, you can easily track your start and end time for the tasks. So in this case, this task, as you can see, took 2 hours. This is calculated automatically here from the start and end time. And you can calculate the amount to bill. So this is where the client hourly rate comes into play, which is pulled in from the client's database. And we automatically calculate the billing amount per this particular task. So if I just show you here, if I would change this into 4 p.m., meaning the task would take 3 hours, then this amount to bill gets automatically updated here with the correct amount. And what you can see here is basically in the dashboard or the main view of the template, you can see the active cases that you have running. You can see your active and prospect customers. You can see the active task list, meaning the tasks that have not been closed yet, and you can see also the outstanding billables based on the tasks. You can also see the outstanding billables by a client here with like a neat chart. So you can keep this in the view. And on the left, just to finish off, we have the navigation where you can access the databases of clients, of cases, uh, and the tasks. So if you need like a focused view on any of these databases, you can of course access them through here. And then we have the buttons here to quickly add new case, new client, or new tasks. So that's pretty much it for the walkthrough. I mean, as you can see, it's a relatively simple system. But the good thing about Notion templates is that they are very easily customizable to what you might need. So if you might need to develop a more sophisticated data structure when it comes to cases, or if you might need to develop more sophisticated billing system, all of this can be done. So you should look at Lawdesk as a good starting point, which build out the structure, which you can use out of box, like I have shown here, to manage your practice. But with very little effort, you can create a very sophisticated system that you can use to manage your practice. So if you liked what you see here, and if you would like to give Lawdesk a go, you can find the link to the template in the description of this video. And if you have any questions or any feedback, please do get in touch. Let me know, because getting feedback from real customers who actually use these templates is super valuable. So please don't hesitate to get in touch. I hope you liked this walkthrough, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.